Okay, we're ready to start Friday. And what I'm going to show you, these should now be in your... I didn't realize that the Friday pages weren't on the help pages, so I'm re-uploading the help pages to everybody. So you should be able to see them now. And you can see I have the basic pattern for all these sentences. So I know I didn't have a verb intransitive, so that's not the one I want. I did have a subject, verb, transitive, and direct object. So I'm going to start with that. I know I'm going to have that basic plan. So I'm going to write my horizontal line and the line that crosses it that shows the difference between the subject and the verb, and the line that goes down to it but doesn't cross it that shows the difference between the verb and the direct object. So we've got subject, verb, direct object. So I'm looking up there, predicate, adjective, I didn't have one. Interjection, no. I had some modifiers, but I'll put them on later. Direct object, no. Indirect object, I didn't have one. Okay, I'm looking for infinitive, that's not it. Gerund, no. Noun of direct address, that's what I was looking for because I knew I hadn't had that yet. So noun of direct address goes on a line up above. So I'm going to put it right here because I know I have one of those. Okay, so let's start putting our words in. Let's see, my subject, if I can't remember, I can look up here. Oh, yeah, the subject was the understood subject you. So I'm going to write it in parentheses here to show that it's not really in the sentence, but we all know that's the subject. The verb is easy, it was up there, I have it labeled already. My direct object I have labeled already, so it's place. Okay. So your describes place, so if you remember, it will hang down off of it because it's which place, so it's yours. So I'm going to hang it modifier line, which is for adjectives and adverbs, and that is, whoops, sorry, that should be your. Okay, take your place, young man. Oh, that's the direct address, noun of direct address, man was. So man goes there. Young is part of it, but remember it was describing man, so it should hang down off of man. Young goes here because it's an adjective that describes what kind of man it is. So I've got you, implied subject, take your place, young man. And remember the directions at the beginning said that we're going to ignore the tag on Friday. So now my Friday diagramming is complete.